This is a bench I've built to hold my mini lathe. More on that in a minute. And I got the plans from popular woodworking website. And it's basically built to 2x4s. There's the printed plans. I printed them out. I'll put a link in the description. And uses pegboard for the sides to prevent the panels from racking, half lap joints, and MDF. And you basically laminate two pieces of MDF for the top, and then make some MDF shelves. And you know, it's really solid. The plans call for leveling feet. I'm thinking of buying those leveler feet that are also wheels. Haven't decided yet. It's a little on the low side for me because I'm very tall. So that's why I get those leveling feet. Now about the lathe. This is the Rockler 12x24 MIDI lathe. It's basically the existing Rockler mini lathe upsized a little bit. Has 2-inch more swing and a little more bed space, like 6 inches. And but the real win is the variable speed and reverse, so that you can, basically you don't have to futz with belts to change the speed. You just use the variable speed, and reverse is really helpful for sanding. So I paid a lot extra because this is much pricier than the mini lathe for those two features. And I gave it a try, and it works great. It comes with a faceplate, knockout bar, spur center, all the typical things you'd expect. This is a live center on the tailstock, and you can pull it in or out. I tried turning something. I grabbed some pine and turned like a mini table leg. Boy, pine is tricky to turn. It has tear out very, very easily. And the spur center can tear out the pine as well. So you're constantly clamping down on the headstock to make it tighter. So I have a piece of hardwood. I'm probably going to try cutting a piece out of this and turning something out of that, like maybe a top or something. But yeah, the lathe is pretty nice, really sweet. And the reason why I built this stand is this was, if you look at the picture for the stand, they show it with a lathe on top. And so I said, okay, that looks like a good lathe stand. So those are the latest upgrades to the workroom, a MIDI lathe and stand for it.